This is the inside of our home, our new home, our cookie cutter Lennar home. And while the home is super duper messy, any new moves, whole house is filled with multiple boxes. You know that, I know that. We are putting up floating shelves, tables, everything in our house will be floating. If you're interested in how we mount floating items, shelves, desks, TVs, you name it, stay tuned. This wall, the studs behind it are steel. There is a difference between mounting items on a wood stud versus a metal stud, and it took us an extra day just to figure out how to mount heavy items on steel studs. In this video, we are going to mount this tabletop from Allen&Roth. This is a 4-foot butcher block, and we will install it in Christopher's room right there using those brackets. We've pre-calculated, I've already determined where the studs are, and the studs are every, so here in this room it's every 16 inches. 48 inches basically is this much, and the center is about here. So I thought these are the brackets, and according to the description, these can hold 500 pounds. That's a lot, but I thought we could mount one bracket here and the second bracket here, and then put the tabletop on top here. Christopher has determined that he would like the height of the tabletop to be 30 inches. What we will do is 30 inches is right about there. There's the stud. We know the nail is here. Definitely the middle of the stud is right there. I'm going to screw in just a regular screw.
Put 'em up now, yeah. Bring it on, good time. Hey, I said a good times. We gonna get it on, get it on. That time is here now.
Since that is where we're gonna put the bracket, I want to drill a hole. We're gonna drill a hole there anyway. This is an outer wall, so that is a wood stud. But not all the way, just enough to hold the bracket. There are screws at the top of this bracket, and we're going to put the desk on top of here. We're going to take our second screw, and then with the level, we want to make sure it's level there. Hole should be. Yep, that's definitely wood. Okay, we're gonna use a more powerful drill. Now we're going to install the second bracket, which is here. But unfortunately my level is short. So what we will do is we will use this wood. Come on in here, Chris. Put that level there. Then we're going to put the second bracket. Now I'm going to raise and lower this bracket until I could see it's level. So now that it's level, now when we put the desktop in, we know for certain that is the level. So I'm gonna mark it here. Go ahead, screw screw the bracket in.
Then put it against the wall.
Okay, that's good. No, it's okay. Now it is upside down. Christopher had made some markings. This is the underside of the butcher block tabletop. So now we're just gonna pre-drill. The screws are very small, so I'm only gonna pre-drill a little bit in the middle. These are really small screws. The purpose of it is just to hold the bracket in place so that the tabletop doesn't shift left and right. And there it is. There's your floating desktop. And there's Christopher and him pretending that he's editing. He wanted it higher, but regardless, his chair can go up also. Yep, if he wants some more. Yep. And there it is. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Finding the studs, installing the brackets, tabletop. Again, this is a butcher block wood from Lowe's. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Obviously, comments. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the new year, and God bless. See you soon.